Let's chant together. What can they do? Ready? Here we go. What can she do? She can run, run, run. She can run. What can he do? He can jump, jump, jump. He can jump. What can he do? He can read, read, read. He can read. What can he do? He can walk, walk, walk. He can walk. What can she do? She can draw, draw, draw. She can draw. What can he do? He can eat, eat, eat. He can eat. Now it's your turn. What can they do? Ready? Here we go. What can she do? What can he do? What can he do? What can he do? What can she do? What can he do? Great job. Keep practicing. You can do it.